Welcome to the very first episode of Telegram Files, a brand new series where I'll uncover the best money-making Telegram channels to help you boost your income. Kicking things off, I'm excited to share a Telegram channel that delivers free Forex signals to jumpstart your trading journey. It's called Forex Bull Signals, and I'll drop the link in the description below. This channel posts regular signals, and here's a look at this week's report from their VIP channel. The best part? You can join the VIP channel for free if you're an Okta FX, XNES, or XM user. Just DM the channel owner by clicking their username, shown here, to get started. You'll need to deposit at least $50 or $100 into your broker account to access the VIP channel, but there are no extra fees for these brokers. If you're new to Forex, don't worry. This channel is beginner-friendly. I recommend checking out babypips.com to learn the basics of Forex trading. It's packed with free resources, including Forex tools and quick links to get you up to speed. Now let's check out some testimonials from real users who've benefited from Forex Bull Signals. These are authentic reviews showcasing their experiences. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the risks of Forex trading. Trading involves a significant risk of loss, and you should only risk what you can afford to lose. You'll find risk management tips on babypips.com. Here's the standard disclaimer you'll see on every broker's site. Trading carries a high risk of loss. Also, a quick note for this video, I'm not a financial or licensed advisor, so always do your own research. Back to the channel. The latest message confirms they offer free signals with no hidden fees for Okta FX, XNES, or XM users. DM the owner for more details and start exploring this opportunity today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Telegram Files episodes. See you in the next one.